Hi guys, this is Bhavana Sharma from Surprista Design, and today we are going to talk about a very exciting topic, which is the design trends in India 2023. And as a UI and UX designer myself, I have used lots of design tools during my design journey, and today I'm going to recommend you the best of them all. And as a designer enthusiast, we are going to talk face to face about the current design trends. So without any delay, let's get started. The first and fascinating trend which is going currently is bold and vivid colors. So by bold and vivid colors, I mean that you use a color palette which is suitable for all the brands, and actually it's currently very popular among all the brands. They are using it quite every day, and you can do lots of experiments with your color palettes. You can use color websites like Color Picker, UI Color Trends, and for research you can use such handy tools which are currently ongoing in the market. Just browse them and use the bold vivid colors with your dynamic typography, and you will make a great design at the end of the day. I'll make sure of it. And the second thing is the minimalistic effect. See, by the minimalistic effect, I mean that you should try neumorphism. Neumorphism is disliked by the UX experts, but it's highly recommended by the UI designers. Why? Because it gives you a classic and bold look, and whenever you look at your UI, it gives you a colorful and simple vibe, which is quite loved by all the clients worldwide. And to explore more into neumorphism, you can go and check out the Microsoft designer tools, and you can use Adobe Sensei, and many things are currently ongoing in market and getting viral every day. The third thing I'm going to mention is the dynamic typography. As a designer myself, I used to experiment with different type of fonts every day, and the most loved fonts by the brands currently are the sans serif fonts, bold fonts families, and stylish fonts. But you should always try out, you keep the styles minimal, because the brands always prefer the industry trends, and they want it to be very clear and precise with their branding name. So whenever you go out with the typography, you should always mix it with bold and light fonts. Light fonts, I mean the regular fonts. You should always make a combination of them and keep the brand consistency in your design. The fourth thing, which is really taking rule over the market, is augmented reality in your designs. See, currently these days, augmented reality is getting very popular in young designers and in high brands as well. With augmented reality, they can show and feel the brand's essence one at a time. And such tools like Catch AR and Adobe Aero Sensei can make everything look so smart and fascinating at a time for a brand. So augmented reality is getting preferred highly by all the brands, and designers should include augmented reality in their designs if they want to showcase their profile as a great designer. Fifth thing is 3D designs and illustrations. So whenever I browse any type of website, I get fascinated by the flat design characters and the 3D designs. 3D designs are not difficult as they look. Whenever you're going to make 3D design inside your Illustrator, you can just tap on your 3D effect and can experiment with different angles and effects simultaneously, and it will give a fresh and amazing look to your website design. The fifth thing is AI design reveal and nostalgic designs combination. See, with AI you can do many types of experiments. You can bring the vintage theme, fonts and retro kind of vibe to your website or any packaging design by using such tools like Adobe Creative Suite and Canva, and experimenting with your HTML5. And by the CSS, I mean that you can use tailwind type of CSS, which is quite popular among designers these days. See, with tailwind CSS, you can get the benefits of different type of color palettes, random impression looks, which is ongoing in the market. You can easily get the samples there, you can apply to your theme, and can minimize your CSS code at the same time. So go try it out and you will see the amazing results at the end of the day. Lastly, I'm going to talk about how you can monetize and earn with your designs. See, the designer's career outlook is just as simple and clear as your designs. Today, there's no designer in the world who is earning less than a developer. Whenever we are talking about the earnings, we see that design industry gets criticized many times by the developers, but that's not true. So whenever you are making something inside your Adobe or anywhere on the online tool, don't be afraid to show it to the world and showcase your profile proudly on the websites such as Shutterstock, Freepik, or Vectizy, or Playbook, etc. And you can earn a decent amount of compensation with their monthly plans. So just go and check it out, this type of tools, and with the help of AI, you can generate maximum design ideas as per day and get benefits and earn well with your designs. And with the help of Dribble, Contra, and Remote.ai, you can explore remote designer jobs as well, which quite pay you the higher amount as per your expectations. So don't be late and go check it out, all the mentioned portals and designer AIs which are going currently in the market, and upgrade your skills and earn maximum as per your creative thinking. Thank you for checking out my channel, and if you like the content and if you want to know more about how you can build a successful career in designing industry, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.